In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image in Yoast SEO. This process will ensure that when you share your content on social media, the correct image appears, attracting more engaging views and interactions. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First, we need to confirm that Open Graph, also known as social metadata, is enabled on your site. Open Graph is crucial because it allows Yoast SEO to insert the appropriate social meta tags, including images, into your posts. These meta tags are what platforms like Facebook and Twitter use to display rich, informative previews of your links. So, to get started, navigate to Yoast SEO in your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to the Settings section and then to Site Features. Once you're in, check to ensure that the Open Graph Metadata, or social sharing option, is enabled. Having this enabled is essential for controlling what image appears when your content is shared on social media platforms. Once your Open Graph settings are squared away, it's time to focus on the specific image you want to display when you share a particular post or page. For this, open the post or page you want to edit. If you are using the classic editor, scroll down until you find the Yoast SEO meta box. For those of you using Gutenberg, or the block editor, open the Yoast sidebar and click on the Social tab. This area allows you to tailor how your content appears on social networks. Here, you'll find options to upload or select an image specifically for Facebook. This step is particularly important because it gives you control over the first impression your shared content makes. Remember, the image can play a significant role in capturing attention and driving traffic to your site. While you're at it, consider also uploading or selecting an image for Twitter or X if you're on the latest version. Different platforms may have different requirements or ideal image sizes, so having tailored images can enhance the visibility and attractiveness of your social media shares. After selecting or uploading your desired images, the last step is simple yet crucial. Save or update your post. This ensures that your changes are applied and will show the correct image when your content is shared on social media. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and change the images used in your social media shares through Yoast SEO. This can make your content more enticing and increase both engagement and traffic to your site. Thanks for tuning in and happy optimizing.